Today we're going to go through the stats of what happened in May of 2023. As usual, we'll compare it to April of 2023 as well as to May of 2022 to give us an idea of where we are and where we're going. So let's get right into it. So the average sale price for May was $551,000. For April, it was higher than that. It was $588,000. But as I mentioned last month in the stats video, there were some really high sales there. And so what that did is that really pulled up the average sale price. We are still seeing the average sale price be higher than the year-to-date numbers, which shows that we're on a trajectory upwards. And if you look at the median, which is typically a more accurate kind of number for these type of stats, the median sale price last month was $515,000, and the month before that was $509,000. So, about a 1% increase. That's pretty good. We are starting to see more busyness in the market, more buyers out there. We're also seeing more listings out there, and I'll get to that in just a second. But so let's look at the sales. So the total number of sales last month, 153. That's down about 7% from a year ago. Now, because pricing is almost on par, so the median sale price is down about 4.27% from a year ago, but the median sale price is up 1.43%. So we're about the exact same position we were a year ago. I talked about that last month, and I thought that we would end up a little bit higher on both the average and median. I'm going to stick with that prediction again for next month, and we'll see if I'm right or wrong. But that's kind of where I think that the market is headed. It's going back up in a time where last year it was headed down at this time of year. And so eventually we're going to see that switch. But overall, the housing market seems to be doing well. Sales down a little bit. Total number of listings is actually up by almost 14%, which is good. It helps stabilize the pricing a little bit. When you have very low inventory, if you watch some of my previous year's videos from about 2020 until 2022, or the kind of the March of 2022, I was saying we need more inventory, we need more listings. Well, now we're here, and that's a good thing because that leads to price stability. We don't want to see prices decrease really, but what we really want is a leveling off. Just a good even market is the best for everybody in the situation. We don't want to see anybody lose money on their houses. That's really tough. And if you have to sell over the course of a year and you've lost a lot of money, that's a really hard thing to swallow, hard pill to swallow. But if things are just even, then buyers have security because they know what they're paying for. There's good comparables that show the pricing, and as a seller, you know that things are going to be okay, and things are moving in the right direction. So slow, steady growth is really what we're after, and I think we're seeing that now. Whether or not next week they do an interest rate increase or leave it the same is definitely going to have an effect on the market in some way. Maybe not, but I think it will. Most mortgages, though, are fixed rate mortgages, so those are closer tied to bond yields than they are to the interest rate increases. But with that being said, oftentimes when there's an interest rate increase, the banks tend to increase the fixed rates, and then eventually they'll fight each other on pricing, and then they float back down a little bit. So right now is a good time to buy. I've always said sort of the best time to buy is what works best for you and your personal situation. So if you have any questions about that, or if there's any questions about the real estate market, feel free to give me a call directly, or send me an email or anything like that, and I'd be happy to help. Thanks so much, and have a great day, everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to hear more from me. If you have comments, please leave them in the comment section below, or contact me. All of my contact information is beside me and below me in the description. Have a great day.